Hey everybody, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite subjects in music, which is DAWs. My personal favorite DAW of choice is Logic. Love Logic. Apple knocks Logic out of the park every single time with all the updates. The latest update, 4.5, is stellar and stunning. But there's a situation with Logic that a lot of people need to address, which is workflow. You have to get your workflow up in order to make Logic work for you. So, with no further ado, we're going to talk about some of the workflow issues that will get Logic working faster. So, we need to get on the workflow of Logic. We're gonna get Logic back working. Hold on, let's get this screen over here. Let's get me back on this screen. Okay. I'm gonna go up here and we're gonna do float on top, which I forgot to do that. I need that. Here we go. Now I'm back floating on top. Like the Temptations standing on the top. Now I'm floating on top. You can tell I'm from Detroit and I'm a little old school with some of my metaphors. So now, number one, these are the number one shortcuts you're going to need to know. I is for inspector. Now with the I, you're going to be able to go in here and change your sounds. Save your channel strip settings. Right here in this, you have your mute, loop. You have all different types of things in that goodie window. Then you got the track window right here, which is your sequencer, your MIDI channels, different things of that nature, your delay, things of that nature. Now, from I, you're going to hit Y. Y is your library. It's going to get you straight down to where your sounds are at, so we can get straight down to business. So once we hit Y, that disappears. We're going to go X. X is for your mixer. Your mixer window, it's a lot of different parameters behind the mixer window. You have the single track, which tracks, you have all tracks. Audio, instrument, auxiliary, bus, input, master, VCA, MIDI. This track right here makes the track bigger or smaller. Now, with that being said, one of the most important things a lot of people want to know about this mixer window is A. It's for automation. You have to learn your alphabets when it comes to Logic and these shortcuts. In between playing a loop here, we can take this loop, go down here to 2 bars, select this play. This is a standard Logic loop. See, I just loop. Now, when you press C, you toggle that back and forth off of there. Now, this right here is the playhead. If you do not hit that button, it's going to keep going. And it won't follow the playhead. It'll go off screen. See how that went past there? Start all over again. But it's following the playhead. This button right here. Oh, Apple loops. You need to know your Apple loops. Even if you're a sampler, you're a sample edit person, doing hip hop, take the loops, put them inside of Logic loop library. It'll automatically tempo set those. So we're going to get off of that while it's indexing. This right here is your Apple Loop browser. This is your media, which is F. Now you'll be able to get to your video if you want to put a video screen on there, timeline on there, your iTunes, your hard drives where your sounds is at. This drop down menu right here is your Logic. your projects, and all that jazz. O gets rid of your media. So now we're gonna, okay, let's hit that again. O to get rid of that. Here's your volume. Here is your metronome. Take that off of there. Here's your count in. This little window right here, when you scroll in between here, this brings down some good gems right here, which is your playback head. Cut on the playback head, split screen, bounce to region. This is your tempo. This is your zoom in and out. This is your colors. So if you're on this track right here and you want to turn that to another color, bring that up and down. Now you can go up here, change that color. We change it to another color. Everything can be color coordinated. We can group the tracks together to make them play as a group. See right here, see this group? See this window right here? If we take this track, add it to group 1, just for right now, we'll do volume and mute for right now. Go to this other group right here. Put that on group 1. Go down here to the mixer. Now these two will work in conjunction with each other. Reason why they didn't work together, because we didn't group them together at the same volume. So we do no group. We'll go back here. We'll make that all the way down to the bottom, 0. Now we will move those together. That's your group. It's a lot of different functions in Logic that you need to get to. Now, what I like for you guys to do right now, hit the subscribe button on Dirty Monkey TV. And this channel has been powered by Def Sound. We're going to get back to more video. We are going to take this from the beginning stage, what places like Guitar Center will never tell you. It's hard to call Guitar Center, hard to call Avid. That's why I'm on Logic, even though it sounds better. But it's very difficult to get in touch with those people. So you can call me anytime. 313-953-5241. That's 313-953-5241. This is one of the only MIDI channels, Logic channels, DAW channels you can call 24/7. You can call me. I'm a music man. This is what I do. 313-953-5241. That's 313-953-5241. Ask to speak to Jerry Flindale. I'm going to answer the phone or I'm going to call you back. Take care. Peace.